Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Meg Guy, a channel for robotics and engineering. And I'm your friend and host, The Meg Guy. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn about a very important skill in the field of robotics, known as Robot Operating System, or simply ROS. In this video course, we're going to learn about ROS. It's going to be a course of Introduction to ROS. So let's not talk further and jump ahead in the core of this video. So what is ROS? Basically, ROS is a framework which gives you a lot of tools and libraries and a convention for developing robot softwares. Many of you who are watching these videos, I guess already you guys know what ROS is. So I'm not going to talk about it much and I'll jump ahead to my next slide. So ROS can be described by an equation. If this is ROS, then it has four components: plumbing, tools, capabilities, and ecosystem. Well, plumbing means the communication between programs in your robotics software. Tools gives you variety of softwares for sensor data, camera of your robot, and etc., or the visualization of the robot. On the other hand, capabilities gives you a variety of capabilities like navigation, mapping, manipulation. It has many libraries that can make you capable of doing these things. And last but not least, ecosystem generally means that globally thousands of developers are there. It's an open source system. So these are the components of ROS equation. Going to the next slide, history of ROS. So ROS project started at Stanford in 2007, led by a roboticist named Morgan Quigley. Then soon after, a robotics startup, Willow Garage, took the initiative and coined the name ROS, or Robot Operating System. So in 2019, ROS 0.4 was released, and it has a robot called PR2. And recent, in May 2020, ROS Noetic was released, and it is the last release of ROS 1 according to Open Robotics. So this is it. And going back to next slide. Okay, so why should we learn ROS? Basically, it's up to you whether you learn or don't want to learn it. But from my perspective, ROS really makes it simple to program and organize your robot developing software. Actually, if you want to develop a software for a robot, ROS is your place. It uses most popular language, two of the most popular languages to be exact, C++ and Python, and ROS has many libraries and tools to develop softwares for robots. Last but not the least, if you really want to get into robotics, you should really give ROS a try. Well, what about this course? This course, as I have mentioned previously, this course is only going to be about Introduction to ROS. Nothing more than that. And I should give you a spoiler alert that this is going to be a long course. So just hold onto it tightly. My target for this course is to give you guys a foundation of ROS, make some simple, very simple projects, and keep up the videos very short so that you guys keep motivated. I don't want to elongate it so you guys get bored or something like that. And I want you guys to do robotics and have passion for it. So why am I doing it actually? Well, when I first started learning ROS, I faced a lot of problems from everywhere, I guess. Yeah. So I don't want you guys to face the same problem as well. So this is the main reason for making this video series, and on the other hand, YouTube is free. I can upload any video if I want. So these are the main two reasons for doing this. And another thing, another spoiler to be exact, maybe, just maybe, after finishing this course you might feel that you have not learned anything about robotics, or you haven't actually developed any software or piece of code for a robot. That's okay, because these are the basics which will get you further in robotics. So my advice will be that you guys should actually learn these things before moving to robotics. So just hold on to it tightly and be a little patient so that we can go through this together. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.